Doo-doo. Boop.
That's stupid.
Yeah.
Now what?
Maybe it'll just be like, boop, the question will go up. And then we'll just answer.
Well, there has to be an intro.
There doesn't have to be.
Yeah, that's true. Although I haven't been on camera yet, so.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Rick, and you've met Alana, and we have Winston in the background repeating everything we're saying. We are starting off in California for about a week, and then to Hawaii on the island of Oahu. Likely, we haven't booked it yet, but that's the plan. Alana's one of her bucket list destinations is Pearl Harbor.
Loving you kept me alive.
And so that's a big motivation to stay on that island. So if you didn't know already, and if you're following along, you'll learn that Alana is, she just loves war history, especially World War II. And so Pearl Harbor obviously is a pretty big deal in war history, so we're going to be checking that out.
Have you ever seen Pearl Harbor at sunset?
And so, yeah, we'll be spending about 2 weeks in Hawaii, and then the plan is to go to New Zealand. We want to go and spend a lot of time in Europe, in the UK, and I more want to spend more time in Indonesia,
Asia.
Southeast Asia.
Well, we have never been to that part of the world. We are very much like the people that have been to Europe a lot of times, because that's always what I've wanted to do. And I'm a bit of a selfish traveler. So, and that's where all the history is, right? Like the history that I have always enjoyed. So that's where we've always ended up. So all of these other kind of places are very new to us. So I'm a little bit hesitant, just only because we've got the kids. If it was just us two, I wouldn't care. But yeah, but I'm excited. He's never concerned about anything, honestly. My biggest concern always is just the boys and sleeping and just making sure that they're doing okay, I guess. That they adjust well. Basically just sleep. Our boys just are not sleeping right now. Both of them are up like all night. They are. Are you not up all night? Did you sleep?
Yeah.
How much?
5 hours? 4 hours?
4 hours?
Probably.
Where were you sleeping? Where was he sleeping? Okay, anyways. We're not sleeping much right now because the boys are up a lot at night. But I actually had a very kind of reassuring thought last night while I was laying in bed awake. The boys aren't sleeping here at home with familiar beds and comfortable surroundings. So if they don't sleep out on the road, it's not going to be that big of a deal. Because it's not going to be any different. You know? Because
It's not going to get worse.
It can't get worse. Exactly. Yeah. So if we're not sleeping at home, we may as well not sleep in New Zealand, right? So that's my biggest concern, is just like keeping the flow of like the home family flow going, and just making sure that they're happy. Well, the biggest challenge I was gonna say is selling all of our stuff right now. It's probably the worst time of the year to sell things.
We literally went over Black Friday and Christmas.
Yeah, we just had Black Friday. Christmas is around the corner and everybody's buying gifts. Nobody's looking for random used items right now.
Winston. Okay, we are going to do a bit of an unboxing because just as we were preparing for the video, we had a package arrive. So we thought it'd be fun to maybe do a quick unboxing.
Yeah.
I don't know. Say hello.
Hello!
What's your name?
Winston.
How old are you? Huh? Old?
This is so sharp.
You gonna help me open up this box?
Yep.
What's in here?
Something's in some bottles.
Bottles?
Yeah. Hello.
There we go.
That's not meat.
Microfiber towel. More towels. Extra one of these. One of these bad boys. Another towel. Oh look! Oh look at this. And oh the tears.
Hello.
So that will. The
The
response to awkward silence is to sing.
Yeah. Well, that concludes our Q&A slash unboxing.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.